Hey guys, look at this beautiful animal. It's a large species. It's a giant grasshopper. Hey, this grasshopper species is a bird grasshopper. You can find them in the U.S. They are big grasshoppers, bird grasshoppers. The genus Schistocerca, or the bird grasshoppers, are giant grasshoppers. You can find them in the U.S. They can be about 3 inches. They're about 3 inches and they're huge. That's wet. Nice, beautiful bird grasshopper. Oh no, your leg's falling off. Oh, God. Well, yeah, sometimes grasshoppers can lose their legs if they have to. Oh no, don't. Wait a second. It's okay. He's man friendly. He's a cute little grasshopper, guys. I mean, it's a bird grasshopper. You can find these things in the U.S. Where can you find a bird grasshopper? In the U.S. So if you don't live in, those guys that don't live in the U.S., come to the U.S. and you want to see these grasshoppers, come so when it's time to move, ask your parents to go to the U.S. Yeah. Yep. Where can you find the bird grasshopper in the United States? The country of the United States. That's where you can find these things. Our range. So in our range, these grasshoppers, I have seen lots of these during the year. I've seen a lot more of these grasshoppers than I saw last year. Another one, a bit smaller. Oh no. Where's it at? Oh, up there. Whew. That's why they're called bird grasshoppers, because they fly really far. It's okay. It's okay. Remember, I'm friendly. Okay. Yep, these grasshoppers can escape really easily. You see why they are called bird grasshoppers? Because they can fly extremely far distances. Hey, that's too far of a zoom. Let's get out of the zoom. These are grasshoppers and the birds. That's in my video about right here.